Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this VOKSUN Wireless Weather Station with outdoor sensor and the possibility to add another two sensors with that device. It's a digital color display which comes with it, and the wireless weather station looks really cool. It is a DCF radio-controlled weather station, a wireless weather station with weather forecast. And the range for the sensors can be up to 60 meters. We have multiple data displays. The wireless weather station with outdoor sensor can not only display the temperature, humidity and weather conditions, but also it has many particle functions. Temperature and humidity indoors and outdoors. Sunrise, sunset time, time and date alert, sleep mode, moon phase, pressure and tides, comfort and mold risk alarm, weather forecast and so on. We have an external sensor and a 60-meter of wireless transmission. The wireless weather station is equipped with an external sensor and can support 3 wireless sensors at the same time. The sensor monitors the ambient temperature and humidity, and it is displayed on the sensor screen. The outer circuit data is regularly automatically synchronized with the weather station itself. The wireless transmitter reach up to 60 meters in a free distance, so we can place it nearly anywhere. And with a large screen, the wireless weather station with outer sensor is equipped with a large light LCD screen. All important weather informations are clear at a glance. The design of a vibrant color display improves the readability of the display and makes it easier to display measurements. And we have multi-level backlight and a highly visible topography, improve visibility at a long distance and at night. And 2 power supply modes. The wireless weather station supports 2 energy modes, battery or power input, which can be used without pressure even in the event of a power failure. In addition, it is equipped with a USB port for charging the electronic devices. As an indispensable household item for the family, its exquisite and fashionable appearance and packaging are an excellent choice to give it to our clear and dear family and friends in different festivals, of course. And we have a high precision thing. With the integrated intelligent temperature and humidity sensor, the weather station can monitor the indoor temperature and humidity accurately and quickly. The indoor temperature displays from minus 9.9 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius. The outer temperature display can go from minus 40 up to 70 plus degrees Celsius. The humidity display from 20% to 95. Or if the data is out of a measuring, the display will display as LLL.L or HHH.H. We have a DCF, radio control time function, a preparatory calendar up to a year 2099. The day of week is in 7 languages. Use selectable English, German, Italian, French, Spanish, Netherlands, and Danish. The time is possibly 2 hours or 24 hours format. We have 2 daily alarms, if we like. Automatic snooze function. Sunrise and sunset time. Select the city, the moon phase and tides. Humidity indoor and outer measurement range 20% up to 95. Temperature, indoor temperature measurement, outer temperature measurement, temperature alternatively in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Outer thermometer alert. Minimum maximum display of air humidity and temperature. Display of an indoor comfort and mold risks. Outer temperature upper and lower limit alert and frost warning. The wireless outer sensor is wall mount or a table stand. It goes with 433.92 MHz RF transmitting frequency. 60 meter transmission range is possible, of course. Up to 3 wireless outer sensors can be connected. 1 wireless outer sensor is included. And we have an atmospheric pressure. Measurement range from 600 HPA to 1100. The pressure alternatively in HPA/MB or INHG. The histogram shows the historical trends of the 24 hours atmospheric pressure. The weather forecast function godlike. And a power supply, you can use two LR6AA batteries and a power input DC 5 watt 1.2 ampere dedicated power adapter. And the wireless outdoor sensor works with 2 times LR6AA batteries. The wireless remote sensor can work really easy, and it is nice to see what's on the screen. And this helps us to fast see what's going on. We have here a nice LCD screen. We have an easy operating system. That means it is plug in and works, of course, really. Power supply, job's done. Maybe you can make a little bit setup by pressing one of the buttons there. We have a touch field on the top. We have a buzzer button. We have a down, up button and a setup button. We have the channel rotation button to switch between the sensors. We have a sky button to switch between towns. And that it is. Easy peasy, as you can see. It works really cool. This is the weather station by VOKSUN without a sensor. It's a digital color display, a wireless weather station, a DCF radio controlled weather station with weather forecast and a lot of other functions, as you can see on the screen. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.